Hello, students. Welcome to an exciting math lesson. Today, we'll embark on a magical journey to explore multiplication with rational numbers. Let's start with some fascinating examples to understand multiplication with rational numbers better. Imagine we have the rational numbers 2 thirds and 3 fifths. How do we multiply them? To multiply 2 thirds and 3 fifths, we simply multiply the numerators 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 we have 6. Then we multiply the denominators 3 and 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So the result of multiplying 2 thirds and 3 fifths is 6 over 15, which simplifies to 2 over 5. Amazing progress, math wizards! Time for a quiz. Here's the question. What is the product of 3 fourths and 1 thirds? A. 3 over 12, B. 4 over 12, or C. 1 over 12. Think about it and I'll reveal the correct answer soon. Time's up. To find the product, we simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So here is the calculation. So 3 times 1 in the numerator, that is 3. In the denominator, 4 times 3, that is 12. So the correct answer is A, 3 over 12. You're mastering multiplication with rational numbers like a pro. Let's explore how to multiply mixed numbers. If we have 2 and 1 fourths and 1 and 1 half, how do we find their product? To multiply these two rational numbers, we will convert the mixed fraction first to improper fraction. So we have 2 and 1 fourths. Of course, we will multiply the denominator 4 to 2. So 4 times 2, that is 8. Plus 1, we have 9. 9 over 4, that is the first rational number. Also, we have 1 and 1 half. So 2 times 1, that is 2. Plus 1, we have 3. So the second rational number is 3 halves. And then we will multiply the improper fraction. So basically, we will multiply the numerator, 9 times 3, we have 27. Also, we have the denominator, 4 times 2, that is 8. So therefore, the final answer would be 27 over 8. Congratulations, math wizards! You've mastered the art of performing multiplication with rational numbers. Now, you can confidently use the power of multiplication to create new magical results in the world of mathematics. But before we wrap up, let's tackle the final quiz question. Ready for the last magical challenge? Here's the question. What is the product of 3 and 2 thirds and 4 and 1 fifths? A. 77 over 5, B. 55 over 16, C. 76 over 4. What is your answer? Think it through, and I'll reveal the correct answer now. Time's up. Let's find the product of 3 and 2 thirds and 4 and 1 fifth. Step 1. Convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we have the first rational number, 3 and 2 thirds. Also can be written as 3 times 3, we have 9 plus 2. That would be our numerator, 11 over 3. Also, we have 4 and 1 fifth, can be written as 4 times 5, that is 20, plus 1, we have 21. And the denominator is 5, so therefore we have 21 over 5. Then, we basically multiply these two improper fractions. So 11 over 3 times 21 over 5. So 11 times 21, that is 231. And the denominator, 3 times 5, we have 15. Step 3, if there is a need to simplify, we will simplify our answer. So 231 over 15 can be simplified as 77 over 5. So the product of these two rational number is 77 over 5. The correct answer is letter A. Congratulations, everyone! You've reached the end of our multiplication magic adventure. Hello, students! Welcome to an exciting math lesson. Today, we'll embark on a thrilling journey to explore division with rational numbers. Get ready to become division experts. Let's dive into this captivating adventure together. Let's start with some fascinating examples to understand division with rational numbers better. Imagine we have the rational numbers 3 over 4 and 2 over 3. How do we divide them? To divide 3/4 by 2/3, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 3 becomes 3 over 4 times 3 over 2. Now, we simply multiply the numerators. 3 times 3 equals 9, and the denominators 4 times 2 equals 8. So, the result of the dividing 3/4 by 2/3 is equal to 9 over 8. Amazing progress, students! It's time for a quiz. Here's the question. What is the quotient of 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 5? A. 10 over 15. B. 25 over 12. C. 12 over 5. Think about it, and I'll reveal the correct answer soon. Time's up. Let's find the quotient of 5 over 6 and 2 over 5. Step 1. Invert the divisor and multiply. To divide fractions, we invert the divisor, the second fraction, and then multiply the two fractions. So here is the calculation. 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 5 is equal to 5 over 6 times 5 over 2. Then step 2, we will just multiply the two fractions. We simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So we have 25 over 12. And step 3, simplify if possible. So the fraction 25 over 12 is already in its simplest form. So the quotient of 5 over 6 and 2 over 5 is 25 over 12. The correct answer is B, 25 over 12. Great job, students! As we continue, let us explore how to divide mixed numbers. If we have 3 and 1/2 and 1 and 1/4, how do we find their quotient? To divide 3 and 1/2 by 1 and 1/4, we first convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So, 3 and 1/2 becomes 7 over 2, and 1 and 1/4 becomes 5 over 4. Now, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we have 7 over 2 times 4 over 5. Finally, we multiply the numerators 7 times 4, that is 28, and 2 times 5, we have 10. So the quotient of 3 and 1/2 and 1 and 1/4 is 28 over 10, or in its simplest form, 14 over 5. Congratulations, math wizards! You've mastered the art of performing division with rational numbers. Now, you can confidently use the power of division to unlock new mathematical wonders. Before we wrap up, let's tackle the final quiz question. Ready for the last magical challenge? Here's the question. What is the quotient of 3 and 3/4 divided by 1 and 1/2? A. 4 over 6. B. 2 over 6. Or C. 5 over 2. What is your answer? Think it through and I'll reveal the correct choice. Feel free to pause this video and think for your solution. Time's up. Let's find the quotient of 3 and 3/4 divided by 1 and 1/2. Step 1. Convert the mixed fraction to improper fractions. So we have 3 and 3/4 can be written as 4 times 3. We have 12 plus 3, that is 15 over 4. Also, the other mixed number, 1 and 1/2, can be written as 2 times 1, that is 2, plus 1, that is 3. Then we have 3 over 2. The next step is invert the divisor and multiply. To divide fractions, we invert the divisor, the second fraction, and then multiply the two fraction. So here is the calculation. 15 over 4 divided by 3 over 2 is also equivalent to 15 over 4 times 2 over 3. Step 3, multiply the fractions. Now, we simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So here is the calculation. 15 times 2, that is 30. 4 times 3, that is 12. The fraction 30 over 12 can be simplified by dividing both numerator and denominator by their greatest common divisor, which is 6. So here's the calculation. 30 divided by 6, we have 5. 12 divided by 6, that is 2. Therefore, the simplest form is 5 over 2. So the correct answer is letter C. Incredible job, students. I want to congratulate all of you. You've reached the end of our division magic adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and mastering the wonders of mathematics.